The plan outlines a meticulous roadmap to pivot from labor-intensive manufacturing to high-tech innovation. Robotics and artificial intelligence are at the very core of this strategic blueprint. This signals a seismic shift, a national commitment to dominate future industries. Beijing's message is clear. The age of Chinese creation has begun, ending reliance on foreign technology. The blueprint targets a 70% domestic content rate for core materials by 2025. The world is now on notice that a new technological titan is systematically engineering its own ascent. Hundreds of billions of dollars underscore the sheer scale of this ambition. The vision is to forge an empire not of land, but of automation and intellect. Commercial drone technology, led by firms like DJI, now utterly dominates markets. It is reshaping industries from cinematography to agriculture with incredible speed and innovation. Humanoid robots once confined to science fiction are now emerging from laboratories capable of nuanced human interaction. Giants in automation deploy vast armies of industrial robots, creating faster, smarter factories. The world is witnessing a technological renaissance unfolding. The pace of innovation is now set not in Silicon Valley, but in the sprawling tech hubs of Shenzhen and Beijing. Western nations fear the erosion of their industrial base as Chinese automation achieves unprecedented efficiency. Profound concerns over intellectual property theft, including state-sponsored espionage, compound these fears. The dual-use nature of robotics and AI raises significant national security alarms. Many fear an emerging artificial intelligence arms race with grave strategic implications. China potentially controlling the next industrial revolution is a source of constant debate in power corridors. This alarm is about losing technological sovereignty and geopolitical leverage, not merely market share. The speed and scale of China's progress have forced a critical reevaluation. Global technology dynamics are rapidly shifting in response to this profound challenge. The global supply chain, once reliant on Western technology, is being reconfigured. Chinese components and platforms are increasingly advanced and accessible, creating a new competitive landscape. The ripple effects extend beyond manufacturing, influencing international trade, labor markets, and even military strategy. As China becomes an exporter of high-tech robotics, it gains significant influence. Nations must either adapt or risk being left behind in a new technological era. The world watches as a new order takes shape, driven by circuits and code. Ambitious initiatives, akin to a modern-day space race, aim to bolster research in artificial intelligence and robotics. The goal is to nurture homegrown innovation, secure critical supply chains, and reduce dependency on foreign technology. Public-private partnerships are being forged to accelerate the development of next-generation automation and machine learning. This is a deliberate effort to reclaim technological leadership, ensuring the future of robotics is not dictated by us. The race for robotic supremacy has officially begun. This has sparked a global surge in technological investment and a critical reevaluation of national strategies. On one side, China's state-driven, centralized approach allows for massive, coordinated investments. This facilitates rapid implementation across its vast industrial landscape, emphasizing efficiency. On the other, the West champions a model driven by free market competition and individual innovation. This relies on a complex web of allied collaboration and decentralized creativity. This is the great technological rivalry of our time, a silent, intricate dance between two global powers. The ultimate prize is nothing less than the blueprint for the future of civilization itself. And in this race, there is no silver medal.